Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to enable and disable client enrollment for courses in the staff portal. It's simple. Just a quick note before we begin. You might want to disable client enrollment if your school needs to handle things like pre-assessments, teacher approvals, or manual payment plans for certain courses. It helps you stay in control and avoid confusion when courses have specific requirements. But if your school runs open enrollment or uses automated systems, enabling enrollment is a great way to simplify the process for everyone. Whatever works best for your school, I'll guide you through the process. Head to the navigation menu and click Settings. Here you'll find several configuration options. Let's head to Platform Settings and click on Modules. Let's scroll down a bit to Customization section. Click on Course Enrollment to access course management settings, and here we are. It's as simple as toggling it on or off. Once you're all set, just click Submit. I'm feeling generous today, so I'll give you a quick look at what clients see when enrollment is disabled. When clients browse their All Courses page and select a course, they'll see an Interested button instead of Enroll Now. This is because the Enroll Now button typically guides them through scheduling, payment, and completing the process themselves. For now, let's click on Interested. Congratulations! You've got yourself an interested client. Wondering how to manage their enrollment? We'll cover that in the next tutorial. Approving client enrollment request. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.